Good morning. Saturday, June 8th, 2024. Time is about 9 o'clock. Temperature is 68 degrees. Really beautiful day. Very pleasant. So today we are going for hiking again, just like last Saturday, in Huntington, Long Island. Hopefully, today's trail will be much easier as compared to last week. That was really hard for me. But before we head out, let's get some breakfast. Before we get breakfast, I am going to get a couple of energy bars. Let's see what to get. Uh, no chips for sure. I think we are going to go with this. That should be enough. More than enough. Let's get some breakfast. It's been a while since I had breakfast from McDonald's. I really like their egg and cheese sandwich. That was a big breakfast. So the GPS tells me that it will take me about 40 minutes to get to the trail. I think it's going to be a hot day today, but today I am better prepared than last week. So I am here at the park. In this park, parking is $8, which is okay. So parking lot is big, and I was able to park under the trees, so that's good. The car will stay cool. So part of the trail is closed, so they have like a detour, but they don't have clear signs marking like, the trail is closed. I guess I'm gonna go to the right. Beautiful. Wow. It's so beautiful here. We're gonna take a little break, have some water and some snack. Let's go. I think it will help. Oh my God. I am back in the car. 3 hours and 17 minutes, 1014 calories, 6.67 miles. It was good actually, very good. It wasn't that hard. Actually, it wasn't hard at all. But my feet are dead right now. I am home now. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks again.